In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Grok AI high demand error. Let's get started. If you're getting this kind of pop-up, it usually means the servers are overloaded or your connection session is glitching. And you can fix this by applying these steps. First, log out and log in back to your account. This might fix your issue. Next up, refresh the page or website and wait a few minutes, since this error often happens when too many people are using the service at the same time. If this didn't work out for you, clear cache for the browser. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Now click on the option privacy and security. Click on the option site settings. Now head over to the option third party cookies. Then click on the option see all site data and permissions. Once you're in this page, search for Grok AI. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it. Confirm it. Then you can head back, reload the website of Grok. Now it should work. Likewise, you can check your internet connection or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connection issues. And lastly, you can check the Grok server status. For that, you can navigate to the website like Down Detector. If there are any outages from their end, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. In case you are using Grok app, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Grok, and if updates are available, just update the app to its latest version, and that's it. With these, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.